Hello, welcome to Sai Recipes. Today I am going to prepare jackfruit seeds masala curry. For that, I have taken 20 to 25 fresh jackfruit seeds and air dried them for few hours. It helps to peel off the skin of seeds easy and better because fresh jackfruit seeds are moist and slippery. You can see air-dried jackfruit seeds are here. Now I am going to dry roast them for 5 minutes on medium heat. Dry roast them and keep aside. Allow them to cool. Next, I am going to prepare masala paste for curry. For that, heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds or dry roast. Then add 4 to 5 dry red chillies and 5 to 6 whole peppercorn and dry roast them on medium to low heat. Just roast gently. Now add a quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds, 8 to 10 seeds of fenugreek, add a quarter teaspoon of poppy seeds and dry roast them. Roast them carefully without burn. Now switch off the stove and add a little turmeric powder along with garlic cloves, 4 to 5 garlic cloves. Stir them. Now add a few curry leaves and 2 tablespoons of fresh grated coconut. Mix it well. Then allow it to cool and transfer it to a mixer jar to grind. Add little water, then grind into a fine paste and set aside. Here I have taken dry roasted jackfruit seeds to peel. Now I am going to cut the seeds into the 4 pieces like this. It makes peeling easy. Here I peel off outer white skin of the seeds. Here I am cutting all the seeds and peeling them. Please friends, please subscribe to my channel Sai Recipes and leave your comments in comment section. See here, chopped jackfruit seeds are here. Keep it aside. Now I am going to prepare curry. For that, heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Once oil hot, add a quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds. In this, I am going to add chopped onion. Here I have taken 1 medium-sized onion. Now saute it. Here I am going to add ginger garlic paste. Half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it for a while. Then add chopped green chilli. Here I have taken 1 green chilli. Then add a pinch of turmeric powder, a few curry leaves and saute it. Here I am going to add chopped jackfruit seeds. Wash the chopped seeds thoroughly, then add it into the pan. Saute it nicely. Add half a teaspoon of salt and mix it well. Then close the lid and cook it for 5 minutes on medium to low flame. You can see here chopped jackfruit seeds are little bit cooked. Now I am going to add uncooked tomato puree. Here I have taken one medium sized tomato for puree. Then saute it for a while till the raw smell of tomato goes away. See here ground masala paste. Now add it into the pan and stir it well. Add salt as per taste. Then mix it well. Now add water to adjust the thickness of curry and give a good mix. Then cover it and cook for 12 to 15 minutes on medium heat. See here, jackfruit seeds masala curry is ready. Add half a teaspoon of lemon juice and sprinkle with a tablespoon of chopped fresh coriander leaves. Then it's ready. Enjoy this curry with rice, dosa, roti or chapati. Thank you. Thank you for watching video. Thank you so much.